A very warm welcome to you all again in my session of class 9 mathematics linear equation in two variables. So dear students, today we are going to study about the HOTS questions, that is higher order thinking skill. In this HOT question we are going to study few important questions that is belong to your class 10th as well as class 9th. As you know that this chapter linear equation in two variables is there in class 10th also. So we want to correlate this class 9th chapter as well as the chapter of class 10th also. So with the help of these questions, these HOTS questions, it can possible to correlate the chapter, the sums of the class 10th as well as class 9th. Just see the question number 1 in this given. Find the value of m if point 7 comma minus 3 lies on the equation y minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x minus 2 upon 7. So as see the solution of this question. As since point 7 comma minus 3 are the solution of equation y minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x minus 2 upon 7. Right, children? So as these are the solutions of this equation, it means this implies that the value of x is equals to 7 and y is equals to minus 3 are the solution of the equation basis. It means these values of x and y satisfies this equation. So we have to substitute these values in this equation, so we can get the value of m easily. So let us substitute these values of x and y in the equation y minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x minus 2 upon 7. So our equation is y minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x minus 2 upon 7. So let us substitute the value of x is equals to 7 and value of y is equals to minus 3. So y is minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x, and the value of x is 7 minus 2 upon 7. Let us simplify it. This value as well as that value also. So take the LCM in this. 3 upon 7 can be written as, in this fraction you can multiply it by 7. Minus 3 upon 1 is multiplied by 7. Okay, minus 3 upon 7. We are going to equalize the denominator of these two fractions. Equals to m into 7 upon 1, and in this is also multiplied by 7 minus 2 upon 7. Right, children? This method you have learned it, that to equalize the denominator of the fraction. So this can be written as minus 21, 7 3s are 21 upon 7 is the 7, minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into 7 7s are 49 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. Right, children? Now this denominators are same, so numerator we can add easily. So it can be written as minus 21 minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into 49 minus 2 upon 7. Right children? Now minus 21 minus 3. Minus 21 minus 3 can be written as minus 24. So minus 24 upon 7 equals to m into 49 minus 2, which is 47 upon 7. Right children? Any problem? So as both the sides, left hand side as well as the right hand side, the denominator is same, so it can be cancelled. 7 is cancelled. You will get it minus 24 equals to 47 into m. Now we are going to find out the value of m. M is equals to minus 24 upon 47, which is your answer, and this is the value of m that you are going to find it. So once again, just see the solution of this. Find the value of m if point 7 comma minus 3 lies on the equation y minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x minus 2 upon 7. Right? As this point 7 comma minus 3 are the solution of this equation, therefore x is equals to 7 and y is equals to minus 3 are the solution of this equation. If they are solution, it means these values satisfies this equation. So as our equation is y minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into x minus 2 upon 7, we have to substitute these two values in this equation. So y is minus 3 minus 3 upon 7 equals to m is the same as we have to get, x is 7 minus 2 upon 7. Let us simplify. Now equalize the denominator. For the equalization of denominator, we have to multiply in this fraction by 7. 7 3s are 21 upon 7 in the 7. Minus 3 upon 7 equals to m into, this is also with the same, 7 7s are 49 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. Now minus 21 minus 3 divided by 7 equals to m into 49 minus 2 upon 7. As the denominator is same, so numerator is added and subtracted. You can add it easily. Now minus 21 minus 3, which can be written as minus 24 upon 7 equals to m into this 49 minus 2 divided by 7, and 49 minus 2 can be written as 47. Now what you got? Minus 24 equals to 47. Why? Because this 7 was the denominator as to both the sides, so it is cancelled. Now m is equals to minus 24 upon 47, which is your required answer. Right children? Now just see the question number 2. The angles of a triangle. The angles of a triangle are 2x, 3x and 5x. Then find the value of x and the angles of the triangle. Means there are 3 angles, as you know that there are 3 angles in a triangle. So the measure of those 3 angles are given, 2x, 3x and 5x. Right? As the measure of, suppose this is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is given, and in this measure angle A is equals to 2x, measure angle B is equals to 3x, and measure angle C is equals to 5x is given. So as these 3 angles are given, so we have to, question is asking in this, find the value of x and angles of the triangle also, means the measure of these angles also. So here measure of angle A is equals to 2x, measure of angle B is equals to 3x, and measure of angle C is 5x. So how to find? First, you should know what is the sum of all 3 angles of a triangle. This is the theorem of your class, and you have read in class 9th also, class 8th also. So sum of all 3 angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So since we know that measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C equals to 180 degree. Now substitute the value of angle A, angle B and angle C. Measure of angle A is 2x, angle B is 3x and angle C is 5x, which is equals to 180 degree. Now sum of all these x, 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x and 5x plus 5x is equals to 10x. So you got it, 10x is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180 divided by 10, which is 18 degree. Measure of x came, that is 18. Now as the first question is completed, find x. So x की वैल्यू तो मिल गई आपको. Now angles of triangle also we have to find out. So let us find the measure of different angles of this triangle. So measure of angle A is equals to 2x and the value of x is 18. Substitute the value of x in this. You will get angle A is equals to 2 into 18 degree. So 18 to the 36 degree. This is the measure of angle A. Right children? This is the first angle. Now find the measure of second, which is measure angle B. And measure angle B is equals to 3x. 3x. Substitute the value of x. 3 into 18. 18 3 is 54 degree, which is measure of angle B. Right? Now find the measure of third angle, which is angle C. Angle C equals to 5x. It means 5 into 18. 18 5s are 90 degree. That is the measure of angle C. So here the measure of angle A is equals to 36 degree. Measure of angle B is equals to 54 degree and measure of angle C equals to 90 degree. According to the question, first we have to find the value of x, which is 18, and afterwards we will get the values of the angles of this triangle. Angle A is equals to 36 degree, angle B is equals to 54 degree, angle C is equals to 90 degree. Out of these, angle A is the smallest one and angle C is the largest one in this question. Right? Okay friends, let us see the next one. That question number 3. Question number 3. Ram is half of his father's age. Means at present the age of Ram is half of the age of his father's. Right? And the second condition is given. 20 years ago. 20 years ago it is talking about. In the past. 20 years ago, the age of father was 6 times the age of Ram. Now find the present ages of Ram and his father. So let us see the solution of this question. So first of all, as it is asking their present ages, we have to find out. So let us suppose that their present ages. Let the present age of Ram be x years and his father's present age be y years. Right friends? So now according to the condition, there are two conditions are given. First it is talking about the present and second it is talking about the past. At present the age of Ram is half of the age of his father. So according to the first condition, according to the first condition, present is of from is equals to half into the present age of his father. His father. Right? As the present age of Ram, we have taken x years. So this x is equals to half into the present age of father is y. You cross multiply, you will get 2x is equals to y. When you cross multiply, 2 is divided here, you will get 2x is equals to y. Say this is equation number 1. It is equation number 1. Let us talk about the second condition. 20 years ago. So, according to the second condition, they are talking about the past. 20 years ago they are talking. So first of all, we have to find 20 years ago. 20 years ago, the Ram's age was x minus 20 years, right? And his father's age was y minus 20 years, right? As 20 years ago the age is this is, but the condition is 20 years ago the age of father was 6 times the age of Ram. So we have to apply the condition, right? Okay friends, as it is given that in the past 20 years ago, as we have their age is 20 years ago, the age of Ram be x minus 20 years and the age of his father was y minus 20 years. So 20 years ago the age of father, condition is given, 20 years ago the age of father is equals to 6 times the age of Ram. Right? Now substitute age of father before 20 years was y minus 20 equals to 6 times the age of Ram was x minus 20. Let us simplify this condition. So when you simplify it, you will get y minus 20 equals to 6x minus 126 to the 12. Right? Now solve this equation. You will get 6x minus 20 and 6x minus 120 minus y and plus 20 equals to 0. What we have done? We have transposed these two terms to the right side. So we will get 6x minus 120 minus y and plus 20 equals to 0. Let us solve it. You will get 6x minus y and minus 120 plus 20 is equals to minus 100 equals to 0. Right? Say this is equation number 2. Right children? And this equation you got the linear equation in two variables. Now, from the first equation, you know that 2x is equals to y. So, substitute the value of y in this equation. So, therefore, 6x minus 2x, it is the value of y, minus 100 equals to 0. Why? From equation first. From equation first, we have written y is equals to 2x. Now, 6x minus 2x is equals to 4x and equals to 100. So, x is equals to 100 upon 4, which is 25 years. Therefore, the age of Ram be 25 years. Right? It is the present age of Ram is 25 years. So, therefore, the present age of his father are substitute x is equals to 25 in equation 1. As you have the equation 1, y is equals to 2x. So, y is equals to 2 into 25, which is 50 years. This is the value of y. Therefore, what you got the answer? Answer came the present age of Ram is 25 years and his father is 50 years. Right, students? Any problem? Okay, friends. Our next question is, if the line represented by the equation 7x plus py is equals to 2 passes through the point 2, 2, then find the value of p. So, what is the meaning of this? First, we have to get it. Given that this line means 7x plus py equals to 2 passes through the point 2, 2. What is the meaning of passes through? It means this point 2, 2 lies on this axis. Lies on this axis, this line. If this point lies on this line, it means this is the solution of this equation. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 are the solution of equation 7x plus py equals to 2. Right? So, as x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 are the solution of this equation. Why it is? Because it is clear that it is given this line passes through the point 2, 2. 2, 2 means the value of x is equals to 2 and the value of y is equals to 2 are the solution of this equation. Now, let us substitute these two values in this equation. As our equation is 7x plus py equals to 2. Substitute x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 in this equation. So, 7 into x and the value of x is 2 plus p into y, the value of y is 2 equals to 2. Let us solve it. 7 2s are 14 plus 2p equals to 2. Now, transpose this 14 to the right side. Here its sign is positive, there it becomes negative. So, 2 minus 14. You will get 2 of p is equals to 2 minus 14 is minus 12. Therefore, p is equals to minus 12 upon 2, which gives you the value of p is minus 6. Which is our required answer. Right, children? So, once again you just see the concept of this. The line represented by this equation, which is 7x plus py is equals to 2, is passes through this point. It means this point lies on this line. and if this point lies on this line, therefore this is the value. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 are the solution of this equation. If they are the solution of this equation, it means this value satisfies this equation at the values of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. We have substituted these two values and we got the solution p is equals to -2. Right?